Involuntary churn makes up 20 to 40% of overall churn. And in this video, you're going to learn 5 ways to identify involuntary churn in your subscription business and how to address this silent killer. My name is Micaiah, and I'm from Chargent. If you are a business leader that has chosen Salesforce as your CRM platform and you want to improve payments at your organization, then you're on the right channel. First things first, okay? What is involuntary churn? Well, involuntary churn is anytime someone loses access to your subscription without intentionally taking action to quit. This is sometimes called soft churn, and if you hear soft churn or unintentional churn, these are the same idea as involuntary churn. And this is the opposite of voluntary churn, which is when someone intentionally takes action to not renew their subscription to your service. So here are 5 common ways customers churn unintentionally from your offering. Reason number 1, their credit card information got caught up in fraud. So as you've likely experienced, when this happens, your card issuer, they're gonna turn off your card to prevent further unauthorized charges. So this, of course, turns off the card for authorized charges also. There are 2 ways to defend against this issue. And the first is through the credit card networks. Through your payment processor, they likely offer automated account updater. And if you're using that service, then the processor will update the token on the back end for you. And as the merchant, you could likely completely avoid any slowdown in collections by keeping that card on file up to date. Now, the second way, it's much more reactive. And that is when a card declines, automatically send an email asking for an updated card from your customer. Now, this could be for a soft decline or really any type of decline, of course. So real quickly, I want to invite you to download a special checklist that we created to help folks like you. We cover the 10 ways to make Salesforce payments safe, easy, and profitable. So use the link in the description of this video to download the guide today. Reason number 2, the customer simply doesn't have room on that account. And these are gonna show up as a decline when somebody has reached their credit limit. To fix this issue, you want to retry at a later date. If that retry fails, then an automated email asking for another card, it's likely the best next step. Reason number 3, the billing information, it was simply incorrect. Your customer moved and they forgot to tell you. They did, however, remember to tell their card issuer. It happens. But now your gateway didn't approve the transaction. And as you have the wrong zip code in your system, it's not going to fix itself. So to fix this, you could have an easy to use billing portal that customers can easily update their details. Additionally, when you send them a collections email, they're going to be able to update this for you at that time. All right, number 4, charges not flagged as a recurring payment method. You're not telling the card processing system that your regular charges are recurring, and this can cause the issuer to decline some transactions. It has been noted that the issuers from time to time, they'll decline a transaction to see if the consumer or the merchant speaks up. This is done to help mitigate fraud on the system. When these types of declines happen, you want to, first off, get a collections email to the consumer. And secondly, ensure that you are in fact sending that recurring flag on the transaction. So reason 5, the most common reason for soft churn is expired cards. Every card's got an expiry date. Your customer, they're gonna need to update many systems each time their cards expire. And some customers, they think of this as a way to decide which subscriptions that they wanna keep, which ones they wanna let go when that happens. So to combat against this, one of the recommended ways is getting in front of it by emailing and asking customers early to update those expiration dates. Now, another great approach, it's the automatic account updater feature that your processor can enable for you. We discussed this earlier in this video, so get in touch with your processor and see if they'll enable that for you today. At Chargent, we have designed our products to manage each of these reasons for involuntary churn. Customers have automated card update emails going out via our account updater product. In the Chargent automated collection product, it handles automatic retries for failed payments, as well as collections emails on your behalf. We offer tokenization, for which most processors is fully integrated with their automated account updater features. And customers that leverage all of these features will dramatically lower their lost revenue and will lower the number of customers that they lose to involuntary churn. We want to give you tools for reducing involuntary churn. And now, I want you to check out this next video where our product manager, Don, is going to teach you how to improve all types of churn using automated collections. My name is Micaiah, and here at Chargent, we are dedicated to helping business leaders like you improve payments on Salesforce. And remember, here at Chargent, we are always here to help.